Assalamualaikum. Let's draw a cake with me. First we took black color. First the bottom cake. Then we draw a stand. Add frosting drips. Then draw hearts. Next the top cake. Draw a small one just like it sitting on the first. Add frosting drips. Then we draw candles. That's good. Time to color. Make the cake pink color. Both parts of the cake pink. First we color the bottom cake. Then move to the next one. Very good. Very good. Next we color the top cake. That's good. Now we took yellow color. Now make the frosting yellow. Color all the wavy lines yellow. Same here. Color the candles blue and their flames yellow. Red color here. Color the stand brown. Hearts in red color. Now we took orange color and color this part. Wow. Very good. Here also. Done. Your cake is ready. Allah Hafiz.